Because I eat a lot. This is my pizza, this is my burger, and this is my chicken. East or west, food is the best.
So you like chicken?
Yeah, chicken a lot. Roasted chicken, grilled chicken, biryani, chicken butter masala, chicken tikka, chicken kebab, chicken lollipop, chicken chili. Wow.
Do you cook?
No, I eat.
So at some point you're going to have to find a wife who can cook for you.
I don't run after bus, trains, and girls.
You don't run after buses, trains, or girls?
Yeah. I only run after food. And the person who makes the food.
So who does the cooking at home, mum or dad?
Mom.
And mum's a good cook?
Yeah.
Very good cook.
My favorite cook. Haha.
Yeah, that's very good. And can dad cook?
No, we both eat.